Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some Christmas themed nails. These nails were very easy to do and this tutorial is very beginner friendly. I'm starting off with my base color already on, and for the pinky nail I decided to do a candy cane design. So I just took some red glitter gel polish that I had and I used that as the base color. And then I'm going to take some white gel and I'm going to do the lines to represent a candy cane look. I alternated between thicker lines and thinner lines. So right here I'm doing the thick lines. I did 3 thick lines and then I did 4 thin lines.
Don't think we're compatible. It's just on the house and no, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
For my ring finger, I decided to do something simple. So I took that same glitter red gel polish that I used for my pinky and I decided to do a French tip on the ring finger, and then I added 2 white snowflakes.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me?
I decided that I did not want my French tip to be that long, so I'm just taking a brush dipped in some alcohol and I'm just removing some of the gel polish. The snowflake was very easy to make. All you would need is a dotting tool and your choice of gel polish. So what you do is you take a dotting tool and you place a dot in the middle of wherever you want your snowflake to be, and then you place 2 smaller dots underneath the dot in the middle. You place 2 smaller dots above the dot in the middle, and then you place 2 smaller dots on the sides of the dot in the middle, and then for the 4 corners you're just going to place 1 dot. And then you take a liner brush and make sure the liner brush is very thin because you don't want your lines to be too thick because then it's not going to look like a snowflake. So you take a liner brush and you just drag from the middle dot through the other dots that you made. Make sure you always drag from the middle dot and not go in the opposite way. I also did my thumb the same way that I did my ring finger.
Look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger sheet, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel the lies? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel the lies? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still
my middle finger, I attempted to do a peppermint design. It was kind of tricky. This was the only nail that was a little hard for me because I wanted it to look good. So I did go, what you are gonna see is not the final result of the middle finger, because I did go off camera and redo it multiple times until it came out the way that I wanted it to, or as close to the way that I wanted it to as it could. For the peppermint swirl design, I first took a very small dotting tool and placed a dot in the middle, and then I took a liner brush, and I don't really know how to explain it, but basically you're just making swirls, I guess you could say, coming out from the dot that I placed in the middle, and then you're gonna fill those spaces in. Once the spaces were filled in, I took that same liner brush and drew, or attempted to draw thin lines between the spaces. I should have used a thinner liner brush the first time, but I didn't, so that's why I had to go back and redo it. I decided to do an ombre effect, so I'm taking that same red glitter gel polish that I've been using throughout this whole set, and I only put a little bit on there. And then I'm going to take, this is a brush that I turned into an ombre brush. Yes, they already have them, but I just decided to take a brush that I don't use anymore, and I cut some of the bristles off to make it an ombre brush, and it worked pretty well. I was done with all of the nails, I still felt that something was missing, so I decided to add a pearl in the middle of each snowflake that were on the nails. This is how the nails turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.